Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download free games on your laptop or PC. First, open up Microsoft Store. If you don't find Microsoft Store on your taskbar, then just click on search and then here type Microsoft Store and then just click on open. And after that Microsoft Store will be open up. Then click on gaming as you can see left side, click on it. From here you can download free games. Some of them are paid actually, you have to pay them, but mostly are free. And if you want to download any specific game that you know, then just click on search word and then type the game name here and click on search. If you want to download any games from Microsoft Store, then just click on it, that game you want to download, and after that you will see this interface like this. Mostly this button will be install or get. So then just click on it and it will start downloading on your PC or laptop. As you can see, the button was before install and now it's changed to play. So I can play this game if I just click on it. As you can see, the game launched already.